Hello guys, how you doing? Today I am going to be installing this here dash camera right in the Sportage. Save 10% on car insurance, as well as it's a security feature, right? And if there's anything, then definitely it will be able to assist in getting investigation and all that finished quickly. So this here is the A229 Pro, right? It's a dash. This is for the dash, this is for the rear view, right? I've started the work already. It's very sunny outside here. See, I'm gonna get the power from behind the mirror here, where I use a dongle, and I've just started to run the wire to have it be seamless, where I'm tucking it in behind here. So this would, people normally charge like $250 to install this. I'm doing it myself. Yeah. So I'm gonna be running through this, guys. I'll be running this line all the way around to the back. This is gonna be for the rear view camera, right? I've put up the tape in the front already for the front. When I'm installing the front, I'm gonna show you guys, right? I'm just gonna take this strip off. I'll clean the inside first before I put this plastic on. This plastic is for when you're removing the camera in the future. It's gonna be much easier as well to help it adhere to the glass as best as possible. But here we go. As you guys can see here, there's a dingy speller here. We have earbuds, so got to be careful when getting this in. Don't want to let it cause any problem if there should be a case where the earbuds fly. So we're just tucking it in at the top. That's all we're doing. So we have a earbag here also, but we're just gonna tuck it right behind the edge, this all the way back. As you can see from this first section that I showed you, clean as if I was not there, all the way down. So I'm gonna finish around here right now. Can't do it with one hand. So, my channel members, I've made it all the way to the back of the vehicle. Right here is where the line is at right now. I'm just gonna peel these off. Try it with one hand. See, not coming off as easy as the one on the back, so I'm gonna to put the camera down and use both hands to get it off. That's how open it apart, and then I just drop the line right inside the lining with this here tool, get it down like that. But it's very difficult to try doing it with one hand. So this is where I'm at. I'm gonna need to run the line through and up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this here tie strap, and I'm gonna use this tape to tape the end onto it, and from there I'm going to fish it right through to get it up to this side, because I want to set the camera round. I want to put the camera right about here. So I'm gonna need the line to come up so I can get it in this section where I need it, about here. So let's go fishing. So as you can see, fishing it through this grommet hose. Right, I got it through there. Now to get this part through the grommet hose and up and around. Working on that right now. So there guys, as you can see, nice clean finish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tuck this excess right there. Then this is going to bring it under here. This is gonna go, this is gonna be for the camera. It's gonna be somewhere here in the center. This is gonna be for the camera. Alright, to power the camera. It's gonna be somewhere here in the center. Right, so I'm gonna put this panel back, right, and bring around the camera and hook it up and let you guys have a look at how it looks. Yeah, but tell me what you think about the job. Seems as if I was not even here, eh? Clean. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So my friends, the setup is complete. I'm gonna now start the vehicle and let you guys see how this dash camera works. So as soon as the ignition, the car started, the camera comes up. Let me get this out of the way to let you guys see the screen a bit more.
Recording, 2 channels started.
Okay, 2 channels because we have a camera at the rear and this one at the front. Turn on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Show rear camera. Show front camera. Show both cameras. Stop audio. Start audio. Pause audio. So those are some of the features, some of the voice commands, right? I'm very proud of myself. The work, as I said, it's very clean. There's no sign that I have been anything on to the back there. There's one to the rear. There's a camera at the back. Yes. So if any of you guys, my channel members, want to get yours installed in a vehicle, you can just let me know and I'll install it for you for free. Too easy. Just get the camera and you'll be fine. Yeah, nice clean look. Thank you all again for your support. Hope you all enjoy your weekend. Love and respect every time. Big up yourself, my channel members. As we say,